Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add your Threads link to your Instagram account and link it. So of course, first of all, we need to go to Threads and copy the link of our Threads profile. So first of all, you're just going to click share right here. After that, you're just going to click copy. And now let's go back to our Instagram account. Here on Instagram, you're just gonna click edit profile. You can see links right here. You're just gonna click on that. So you can either replace, for example, the TikTok link here, this one, or you can add external link. So I'm just gonna do that. You just paste the URL, title it as Threads, and click on done. So after that, as you can see, the Threads link is linked. You can go back right here, and when the person clicks on your profile links here, they can basically go to your Threads or TikTok, as you can see. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's how you add your Threads profile link to your Instagram profile. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.